In this video, I'll show you how to merge two Canva projects into one. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open the main project where you want to add the other one. For example, I'll open a booklet design and click Edit so the project loads in the editor. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Projects. Then click on Designs. Here you will see all the other designs and projects you've created before. Now choose the project you want to merge with your current one. Simply left-click on it. You will see an option called Add as New Page. Click on that. Canva will automatically add that entire design as new pages into your current project. And that's it. Your two Canva projects are now merged. If needed, you can rearrange the pages from the bottom panel. This is the easiest way to merge two designs in Canva without copying and pasting manually.